My buck shots in the back is bucking, okay? Hey my honey dogs, welcome back to my channel. So if you've seen the title of this video, this is going to be about my install. Thank you so much to Better Length for sponsoring today's video. I ain't gonna hold you. Once I got a little bit of length in my own natural hair, I'm ready for a sew-in. That's what I got. If you are coming from my old channel, then you have seen Better Length on my channel. The hair that I have in is their Light Yaki bundles. They do have bundles, they have clip-ins. I believe they have tape-ins as well. Oh wait, I did their tape-ins. I think I did their tape-ins. I received 3 bundles from them. I have 1 16 and 2 18-inch bundles. Anything 16 inches and shorter, you only need 2 bundles for a full head. If you want anything longer than 18 inches, you'll need at least 3 bundles for a full head. But I only have about 1.5 18-inch bundle and roughly the entire 16-inch bundle in my head. But let me show you guys how it looks on me. I am 5'3", you can't tell, but I have a short torso. I'm sitting on the floor, kicking it old school. Remember back in the day, sitting on the floor? So I decided to get their Light Yaki texture because it mimics my own hair when I straighten my hair. As you can see, my hair blends very, very well. Separation. So that's my hair, okay? If you have natural hair or relaxed hair, especially if you have relaxed hair, this texture is perfect. Still, it's very, very thick. I try to avoid getting any Brazilian straight or like Malaysian straight just because I feel that that's too silky for my hair texture. I do have more coarse hair. These are old curls, so I curled my hair about 4 days ago. I always felt like having some kind of wave or curl in the hair it just makes maintaining it that much easier because I don't find myself having to style my hair every single morning. I've had this hair installed for about 8 days now. I intend to keep it in for like 2 to 3 more weeks. I already know at some point I'm gonna miss my curly hair. I'm gonna wash it. But that's why I decided to do a sew-in, because I want to ensure that I can reuse these bundles. But I prefer to do a sew-in because I feel like they're more durable, long-lasting. You can reuse the hair. I do experience some shedding. I'm not sure if that's due to the fact of me cutting the weft. You are more prone to shedding, but I do experience some shedding, minimal, not like drastic amounts, which is really, really nice. It didn't have any kind of smell when I received it. I washed it, I let it air dry, and I installed it the next day. When I installed them, you'll see its natural texture. But yeah, I intend to keep these in for a couple of more weeks. I did cut a little bit of layers in it. I didn't want to go too short in the front layers because when I put my hair up in a ponytail, I don't want those hairs like sticking out. Well, this is how the hair looks if I put my hair up in a ponytail. My buck shots in the back is bucking, okay? I'm not about to straighten that because who got time? Not me. But in this video, I am going to be showing you guys how I installed the hair. I'm going to be showing you guys my braiding pattern. More than I love it, more than I love it. Unplug her phone, but she'll be glad, she'll be glad. Y'all know I can't sing, but that's my girl. Yeah, but anytime I give me a side part, baby, it's going to give me Aaliyah vibes every time. So I just want to show you guys a quick little tut. That's a tutorial. A quick little tut. If you want to see how I install these bundles, and just keep on watching. How are you? How's it going? Hope all is well. I am going to do my sewing tonight. I just got off work. I know like I just got back from school, but I'm not in school this semester. I only have to take, we're not here for that. Rocking the sleek ponytail for like a few days now. My hair is at a level where I can put it in a low ponytail. But y'all, like my hair has grown so much. Let me like zoom you in a little bit so you can like see it. I have this asteroid on my forehead that Mother Nature decided to give me this month. She needs to go. No one asked for her, but look y'all. I put my hair in a ponytail now. Waves don't swim, so they hate on him. You see? And I'm kind of nervous. I'm kind of excited. I am going to do a side part. That's always my go-to. Now, is it just me or is like sewing's making a comeback? I feel like some people are going to be saying like sewing's never left. True, but we all know like lace wigs and everything, full-blown lace, 6x13, whatever. Those took over the hair game for some time, and wigs is still popping. I'm gonna do some leave out on the side. I'm not gonna do any leave out over here, maybe at the front portion right here, but I'm not gonna do any leave out here because my edges on this side are like broken off. And then of course I'm gonna have some leave out here at the nape. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm just ready to just But it's 4:45. The sooner I get in the shower and wash my hair, the quicker this will be. So let's get into it. Want you up the way, let you buy where you like it. It's like we will try it. Real hard to let it slip. I'm more keeping with me. Want you up the way, let you buy where you like it. It's like we can try it. Dance, relax and let it slip. I'm more keeping with me. Break it up and wait. Break it up and break it up and wait. Break it up and it's like we can try it. Dance, relax and let it slip. I'm more keeping with me.
Back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. I might fly Priscilla out just for better. So mesmerized by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. Nigga can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then sip on some bubbly. Hope I'm not doing too much. Straight.
Alright y'all, so I have ate and I'm ready for bed. It is 8 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top. So I went ahead and flat ironed my nape that I don't have. Ever since my 22nd birthday, I had put a sew-in on my head. I had it real tight and it was like just really hurting on this side. So after like 2-3 days, I was like, I can't take it no more. I took it down and baby, I had a big bald spot. And ever since then, it's just been very, very fine. Literally bald right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take my first 18-inch bundle. Starting in the back, I like to double weft. And once I get towards the top, I'll do single. So this is what the whole bundle looks like in case anyone's wondering. It's not fully arm to arm, it's a little more. Once I get to like the edge, I'm going to use this as an example. Instead of flipping the whole thing like this, it's going to cause it to be bulky. So I'm telling you this now so that when I start to do it, you'll understand. So once I get around this area and I'm sewing it, I'm no longer going to use it double. I'm going to use single so that when I do flip it, I'm only flipping single. And then once I start to go sew it back going this way, I'll then pick up that other track so it could then continue to be double weft, if that makes sense. much one bundle of an 18-inch will look. So it's still pretty full. I brushed it out. This is not flat iron. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the 18-inch and let's see how it looks, you guys. I'm so excited. I can't believe I'm on the internet looking like this, but don't judge me. Alright, you guys, so I have flat ironed my leave out and I'm pretty much done. It is 11 o'clock, like 11:07. I figured I'd be done around 11 o'clock. But yeah, so it came out pretty good. So I flat ironed the hair. This is what the back looks like. But that's it, y'all. So I will come back when I'm like kind of done up a little bit. I might come back this weekend, do my makeup. I might throw a little bit of loose curls in there so you guys can see how that looks. And I'm gonna cut it a little bit and then I will be back. So I'll see you guys in a bit. you guys, so that is how I did my install. But yeah, I really love this hair. I have no complaints, honestly, except for the fact that my scalp is itching, but that's because I forgot to put oil or any kind of grease or anything in my hair. And I'm afraid that if I drop some oil in there now, it's going to transfer to my hair, and then my hair is going to be all weighed down. But it's really dry and scratchy in there, so maybe I really need to attend to it. Thank you so much to Better Length for sponsoring today's video. I'm not going to make a separate or a follow-up video on how the hair has done, but once I take these bundles out, I will have a pinned comment down below in case anyone's wondering my experience, my entire install. So do you guys still do sew-ins? Are you guys rocking wigs, braids, natural? Like, let me know what's your protective style right now. I don't even know if it's considered a protective style because I am still applying some kind of heat to my hair. That's all that I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Help me get into that algorithm because YouTube be tripping. But go ahead and like, comment, share, and I will see y'all in my next one. So until then, peace. Two fingers.
Wondering what's on your mind. If you like the simple type, I ain't stupid, dumb, or blind. Won't sleepy, a bed of last. Heard you met her in the club, trying to tell me you were drunk. I can still smell perfume. Nigga.